Hello, my name is Stuart Newton. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for A&I Fire Water Restoration. We're based out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I'm their Chief Financial Officer, and I joined them in 2006. When I joined A&I in 2006, they had just converted to a construction software platform that was not industry specific. As we grew from one location to 4 locations, it became evident that we were not able to track our job management process well. We weren't able to hold people accountable, and we saw our margins eroding. It became obvious that I needed to find a software that was more oriented towards the restoration industry. Over time, and beginning in about 2015, I started looking for software that would accommodate industry-specific needs of our company, and it ended up settling on PSA. That conversion started to take place in 2016, 6 years ago. What we've seen in this transition, first of all, the conversion was a complete success. We saw that the trainers that PSA had in place helped us immensely during that process. Once we had the transition in place, we found that we were able to monitor our jobs better. We were able to hold people accountable better. We were able to find efficiencies at the administration level, and so on. We were able to improve our margins probably 2 to 4 points overall. The conversion process that was handled during that time frame by the training associates with PSA was tremendous. They were helpful, courteous, and helped us through the whole process. I would clearly recommend PSA for your use in the future.